Hello, ninth graders. This is Teacher Raquel San Juan from Urdaneta City National High School. This is the second part of our video instruction for Quarter 3, Week 7 of Mathematics 9. Let us have examples for Activity 1, similar or not. In the direction, it says determine if the triangles in each pair are similar. Show the proof if they are similar. So here in the example number 1, we are going to determine if triangle ABC is similar to triangle GLF. Now you will notice that these two triangles have two pairs of angles that are congruent. Angle B has the same measure as angle L. Angle C has the same measure as angle G. Therefore, if it has two pairs of congruent angles, we can already conclude that triangle ABC and triangle FLG are similar triangles, and that is by the AA similarity theorem. For our second example, we have the measurements of the sides of triangle LMN and triangle RST. Now to tell if these two triangles are similar, we are going to check if the corresponding sides form a proportion. So is the ratio between MN and ST equal to the ratio between ML and SR? And is it equal to the ratio of LN and RT? Okay, if I am going to substitute the measurements from the given, I notice that the three ratios are not the same. So since they are not equal, I will conclude that triangle LMN is not similar to triangle RST. Okay, here are the examples for activity 2, always, sometimes, or never. In the direction, write A if the statement is always true, S if it is sometimes true, and N if it is never true. Okay, let's analyze the first statement. All isosceles right triangles are similar. Okay, we know that any isosceles right triangle have legs that have the same measure. So just like these triangles in my diagram, the measure of the legs will be the same. So meaning whatever measure I use here, if I am going to get the ratio between the corresponding sides, it's always going to be equal. So meaning the corresponding sides will be proportional. Another thing is the included angle between the corresponding sides are always going to be 90 degrees in measure. So meaning any two right triangles are similar by the SAS similarity theorem. So the answer is always true. So we will write A on the blank. For example number 2, we have the statement, if two sides of a triangle are proportional to the two sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, in this diagram, we have two triangles that contain two corresponding sides that are proportional. 4/8 is equal to 7/14 because that is equivalent to 1/2. Now, aside from having proportional sides, the included angle between the corresponding sides are also congruent. Now, because of this, these two triangles are similar by SAS similarity theorem. Yes, it contains two sides that are proportional to the other two sides of another triangle. Okay, let's look at another diagram. I have here another pair of triangles that contains two two sides which are proportional to the other two sides of another triangle. 6/9 and 8/12 are equivalent ratios because they are equal to 2/3. However, the included angle between those two corresponding sides are not congruent. This one measures 80, the other one measures 55 degrees. Therefore, having two sides of a triangle that are proportional to the other two sides of another triangle is not a guarantee that the two triangles will be similar. So therefore, this is sometimes true. So we will write S on the blank. For activity 3, just prove it. You are going to complete a 2-column proof. So you will supply the statements and the reasons to prove a certain mathematical sentence. So in this example, we are going to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBE. So this triangle here is similar to triangle DBE. Alright, now for the first statement and reason, it will be segment DE is parallel to segment AC. The reason is it is stated in the given. Now, for statement number 2, we have here two overlapping triangles. We have the triangle ABC and triangle DBE. And these two overlapping triangles have a common angle, which is angle B. So I will write for statement number 2, angle B is congruent to angle B, and that is by the reflexive property. Next, for my statement number 3, since we have a pair of parallel lines here, and this side of the triangle is like a transversal, which creates a pair of corresponding angles. We have angle BDE and angle A. Now, these two corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, I will write angle BDE is congruent to angle A, and the reason is corresponding angles of two parallel lines cut by a transversal are congruent. Now, you will notice that we already have two pairs of congruent angles from the two triangles that we're trying to prove the similarity. Therefore, for my statement number 4, I can already write or conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBE, and the reason is AA similarity theorem. Alright. So that ends our virtual instruction for week 7. Thank you for listening and paying attention. Again, if you have any question about the lesson, do not hesitate to contact your mathematics teacher. Thank you for watching. Bye!